Got a minute? Let's set up your emergency fund step by step. And hit that subscribe button for more money magic. Step 1. Set a goal. Decide how much you want to save. A good start is 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Calculate rent, groceries, bills, and add a little extra. Step 2. Open a separate account. Keep your emergency funds away from your daily spending account. This helps you avoid temptation. Look for a high-yield savings account to grow your money while it's safe. Step 3. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your emergency fund. Even $10 a week adds up over time. Consistency is key. Step 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your budget and identify where you can trim the fat. Maybe skip that daily latte or dine out less. Redirect those savings to your emergency fund. Step 5. Boost your income. Got a hobby? Turn it into a side hustle. Freelance, sell crafts, or even babysit. Every extra dollar helps. Congratulations! You've just taken the first steps to financial security. Remember, building an emergency fund is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick with it, and you'll be prepared for whatever life throws at you. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Happy saving!